All right, come on. How did you unhook that? Come here. Come here. No, 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 no. There we go.
Easy, sweetie. Easy.
I got it. Barely. I got it.
So that we don't look at other dogs or look at. Still she's undone again.
Oh, all right.
This is right behind us. If you want to release from there, you can.
All right, hang on.
Yeah, just she got undone again.
Yeah, it's the bigger one. All right. Are you ready? Are you set? Go, 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 go. Good girl! Good girl, Lucy! What a good girl! Alright, come on! Come on! Hang on, hang on. There we go. Alright, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. No, yeah, you got the bag. That's a good girl. Let's go. Leave it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
She doesn't want to leave.
I know.
Everything else was fine. But
Yeah. Look at her.
so how do we get to see your video?
I will, at sometime between now and like dinner time, I'll put it on YouTube.
Okay.
I mean, I'll have it. I could put it on my. I can put it on the computer in the dining hall, but then I can upload it to YouTube with the other one. But
Cool. Okay, we got you up next.
I see.
all right, Lucy, come on, baby.
What? Let him go.
Yeah, don't get hurt, please. You already fell down. All right.